So guys, I am at the Goa Science Centre. So let's check it out. It's in Panaji. So this is the entry, and that is the main building. And we have all types of information about dinosaurs. Even have a kids play area. And around the area, we have various science corkscrew type of thing over there. We even can get information of prehistoric dinosaurs and animals. See all of these mechanisms like that corkscrew. I have no idea what this is. Oh, water ladder. Oh, so let's try it. Oh, you can see that there's water filling up. Oh yeah, see, it's coming out from there. That's cool. Now what is this? Oh, it's a xylophone. Yeah, xylophone. It's a pulley. You can pull this. It helps to lift up various objects. Oh, what's over here? What a liver. Guys, I got it working, and yeah, it's called the Archimedes screw. So guys, there is a photo of Sir C.V. Raman. As you can see, it's an optical illusion. You can see he looks into the camera wherever you move. So guys, this is the entry for the science park and planetarium. This is the ticket for Goa Science Centre and Planetarium. The ticket is 250 rupees for group family of 4. We have a nice fountain over here. trench over here. Oh, it goes very deep. Inverted image. Oh yeah, it's inverted. See, this is a normal mirror. Press the switch. Oh no. Underground tunnel. Idea you can see this or not. Oh yeah. Whoa. This is kind of trippy. If you want multiple copies of your passport, you can take it from here. Half you, half me. Oh yeah, I know. There's another person at the other end.
The brightest, the hottest, or the coolest. It's not even the only star with planets. Class G yellow stars like the Sun make up 1 out of 13 stars in our stellar neighborhood. It's not special in any way, except one. It's the only star we know of that's...
That was it for this video, guys. Our ticket included the Taramandal show and as well as a 3D show for 250 rupees. And if you come to this place, you will enjoy a lot. It is entertainment for people of all ages. And once you come here, you'll also say that I love science. That is it for this video. If you've come this far, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Amazing Ayush. And I'll see all of you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.